Hi and welcome to another video of Campus.eu. In this video we're going to talk about Furgok and especially the X-Lounge 600 Plus, the one that you see here behind me. We became a dealership of this brand, this Spanish brand, and we are very proud that we can represent them here. We're here at the Caravana at the fair, so let's go and take a quick look together. So we start by the back. The back, as you can see, has a lounge function. That's why the name X-Lounge is there. And Furgok made a very clever interior. So you see these lounge beds here in the rear, and on top there you can see there is a bed. The bed that comes electrically, it moves down, so you can have your sleeping area or your living area. Furgok has built this on a FIAT Ducato base, and it's an H3 height. So it's 2.90 meters high, and that's higher than what you see usually with the H2. That has benefits, especially for us Dutch giants. Most of us are higher than 180, 85, and then in most camper vans we just hit our head against the roof, and in this one you don't. Furgok is really proud that they use very high materials, very high quality interior, and they have quite new and good ideas. Like as standard, you have these seats here in the rear doors, and in the sliding door there is a camping table which you can use outside. Moving to the side, you can see this is a 6-meter version. There's also a 640 version, but this 6-meter version has the beds in the width, and the beds are 194. But we can add an extension on the side, a side pod, and then you have a bed in the length of 2.4 meters. So really great beds. So here on the front of the vehicle, this vehicle is equipped with the black pack that they offer. So you have the black grille, the Furgok logo on top there is blacked out, and even here on the sides they blacked out the blinds. So I think this gives a really good vibe. And also here the sliding door rail here on the back, they've powder coated that in black as well. And here you see the Furgok logo, and there's only the water filler cap is there. That's the only part that you can see that it's a camper van basically. As you can see, this one is sold, but we will go in anyway. And moving in there you see the beautiful kitchen, and you can see how high it is. Look at all those cabinets there. One of the first things that you notice here are the cabinets here, which I love, because there are hardly any campers that offer storage for shoes, and this Furgok does, and I think that's amazing. Here on the driver and passenger seats, you can swivel them around as is normal, but there's also a table there, which you can store away up there, and that just gives you, with the two of us, gives you a place to do your breakfast or do a coffee. Then the kitchen. Here you can see the high quality. It is really a high quality item. Looks like at home, and we love the dark with wood finish here. Look how high it is. I'm standing here now. Let me see if I can swap it around. I'm 187 and I cannot hit the roof at all. It tries to focus on my head, but it's really tall. So I think that's really amazing. 1, 2, 3, and there you go. Go back to the other side. So in here we have a lot of storage. We have a lot of drawers, which are high quality. And like with our Tournee models, these models are also fully insulated, so the walls and the roof, they are fully insulated. So it's also really comfortable when you go on trips to colder climates. Here on this side you see the fridge, which is huge. You have a freezer on top and a very large fridge below. And maybe you've noticed it already. There's no bathroom visible here. Normally you see a bathroom intruding the interior space, but with this Furgok they have a clever design which they call dynamic space, in which they hide away the shower, because you don't shower all the time, so you want to be able to get it away. And the way they do it, and that's true for all their models, you just open it here, you slide it away, there you go, and then I slide it to this side, and then I can lock it in place over here. Now I have a wall, and I can do that on this side as well. I can move it towards here, and then you have your bathroom, and with your bathroom you have your toilet over here, and it comes out electrically. And in this case, what we love, it's Klesana, so it's a toilet without liquids, and perfectly for a camper van like this. And look how much space we now have in the bathroom. On top here we have the sink and a great big mirror. So in this way you have your complete private room, your bathroom here. I'll move the toilet back. It's just electrically, moves back very fast, and slide it away and put it down. But also you want to shower now and then, so below here we have your shower basin. I can leave it there. Now it's on the ground, and they have these mold curtains, and below there are some magnets with which they go all around here, and then you can take a shower using the shower head here. But I think it's a really clever idea. In this way they've created a camper van that is very spacious, very spacious. Let me put it back up, and it will lock into place. And like with this door, just open it up, slide it away, and connect it in there. And now you see the bed. The bed is, I can just push a button over here and it comes down. Now you can move it further away, but you will get the idea. Your mattress flips over like so, and then you have a bed of 155 by 194. And like I said before, we can add an extension to this side, so that we are able to get a bed of 2 meters 4, which is amazing for us Dutch giants. And one of the other clever things is that I can pull this mattress up, and below there's storage as well. So I can put some my underwear or whatever I can put in there. So, and I push the button here, and then we go back up and away. Easy peasy. And also the seating area, you can slide it back and forward to make yourself more comfortable. And what I like is that you can sit here, stretch your legs, and your partner can sit on the other side, stretch the legs, and you're a really comfortable place to be when it's a bit drowsy or after a long hike. So looking to the other side, there's storage here too. It's way higher than the H2, but also fully lined and insulated in there. So with that, I think this is on a 6-meter vehicle, and this gives you, it's a 2-person vehicle. As you can see, there's 2 seat belts, but if you're with the two of you, and you want a spacious feeling camper van of just 6 meters, I think this might be it. This might be it, especially if you're taller, like a lot of you Dutchies are. So that is a quick and short introduction to the Furgok X-Lounge 600 Plus. Furgok has a lot more options and layouts available, and I hope in the future I will show more of them. We will get a 540 soon in our showroom with also the electric bed, and I hope to give you a video soon about that one. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.